Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Park on level ground, engage the parking brake, and chock the opposite wheel before lifting the car to work safely. Loosen the wheel lug nuts slightly while the car is on the ground, then raise the vehicle with a rated jack and support it on rated jack stands. Never rely on the jack alone. Remove the wheel, then disconnect the negative battery terminal, and wait 1 minute to prevent accidentally shorting ABS electronics or triggering fault codes in the BMW 1 Series. Start by cleaning the sensor area and brake components with a brush and brake cleaner to remove dirt and rust that could jam the sensor. Unplug the ABS sensor connector at the wheel arch. Note how the harness clips route along the control arm and strut, and carefully free the harness from plastic clips before unbolting. Remove the sensor mounting bolt, typically small and accessible, then twist and pull the sensor straight out. Use penetrating oil and gently clean the hub bore if corrosion prevents removal. Inspect the new sensor and compare it to the removed unit to confirm fitment, then insert the new ABS sensor straight into the hub bore, maintaining roughly a 3.5 mm air gap to the tone ring and avoiding contact. Secure the sensor with its mounting bolt and torque to about 8 Nm if specified by the replacement part manufacturer, then reconnect the sensor connector and clip the harness into the original routing clips to prevent chafing. Refit the wheel. Torque lug nuts to 120 Nm in a star pattern.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.